Here are 5 proven steps that will actually help you rebuild your attention span and take back control of your focus. Step 1. Break the dopamine cycle. Before you can fix your attention, you need to understand why it broke, because most people think they have a focus problem. But in reality, they're trapped in a dopamine cycle. Think about it. Every time you scroll through short videos, refresh social media, or jump from one piece of content to another, your brain gets a quick hit of dopamine. And the more often you repeat that cycle, the harder it becomes to focus on things that require patience and effort. That's exactly why reading a book feels boring, studying feels exhausting, even watching a normal video without checking your phone starts to feel difficult. So the first step to rebuilding your attention span is simple. Remove every source of cheap dopamine. Whether it's short-form content, endless scrolling, constant background noise, anything that gives your brain instant rewards for doing absolutely nothing. Because the less your brain depends on instant gratification, the easier it becomes to stay focused on things that actually matter. And that's the first step toward rebuilding your attention. Step 2. Eliminate attention switching. One of the fastest ways to destroy your attention span is constantly switching your attention. 1 minute you're working, the next you're checking a notification, then replying to a message, then opening another tab. It only takes a few seconds, but every switch forces your brain to lose momentum. That's why you can spend an entire hour at your desk and still feel like you got almost nothing done. So instead of trying to juggle multiple things at once, commit to finishing one thing before moving to the next. No messages, no multitasking, just you and the work. Because every unnecessary switch resets your focus and makes it harder to get back into deep work. The less often you switch your attention, the longer your brain can stay engaged. And here's something that helped me rebuild my attention span more than anything else. Like most people, I used to think I had a focus problem. But in reality, my attention was being pulled in 100 different directions every single day. So whenever I sat down to work, within a few minutes, I'd end up checking Instagram, opening YouTube, or replying to messages without even thinking about it. That's exactly why I started using Reset. Reset makes staying focused incredibly easy. Just turn it on, and every distraction app gets blocked automatically. Instagram, TikTok, whatever distracts you the most, so you never have to rely on willpower anymore. It also tracks healthy habits like walking, reading, exercising, and staying off my phone. So instead of mindlessly opening social media whenever I feel bored, I actually have to earn my screen time first. And my favorite feature has to be that it automatically tracks the steps I put in. And every time I complete these healthy habits, I earn screen time back as a reward. And that one shift completely changed the way I use my attention. So if you're serious about rebuilding your attention span, I'd highly recommend trying Reset. Hit the first link in the description or pinned comment, download Reset, and use code INSPIRE. Step 3. Train sustained attention. Most people think focus is something you either have or you don't, but that's not true. Focus is a skill, and like every other skill, it gets stronger when you train it consistently. Think about it. If you've spent months constantly switching between apps, videos, and notifications, you can't expect your brain to suddenly focus for an hour. Your attention has been trained to quit, so if you want to rebuild it, you have to teach it how to stay. Here's what you need to do. Every day, spend at least 20 to 30 minutes doing something that requires your full concentration. Read a book, solve a difficult problem, learn a new skill, anything that requires real effort. The goal isn't to finish more, it's to stay mentally engaged even when it starts to feel difficult. At first, your mind will want to wander. That's normal. Don't see it as a failure. Every time you bring your attention back, you're teaching your brain that focus is the priority, not distraction. And over time, staying focused becomes much easier than getting distracted. Step 4. Embrace boredom again. Boredom isn't something you need to avoid, it's something you need to experience. Because the moment you stop filling every second with videos, music, or social media, your mind finally gets the chance to slow down, connect ideas, and recharge your ability to focus. That's why some of your best ideas never come while you're scrolling. They come when you're doing absolutely nothing. So stop escaping every empty moment. Instead, learn to sit with it. Because the more often you sit with boredom instead of escaping it, the easier it becomes to concentrate without needing endless distraction. And that's when your attention span starts becoming stronger again. Step 5. Let your brain recover. You can follow every strategy in this video, but everything you just learned can collapse if you ignore this last step. Because your attention span isn't just built by how you spend your day, it's also built by how well your brain recovers at night. That's why recovery isn't optional. It's the foundation of protecting your attention. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Go to bed at a consistent time and give your brain the recovery it needs to perform at its best. Because a tired brain always fights for every bit of focus, but a recovered brain doesn't have to fight at all, and that's how you take your attention back. Now you know exactly how to rebuild your attention, but knowing these steps means nothing if you never apply them, because real change doesn't come from information, it comes from execution. And if you want to make that journey even easier, I highly recommend giving Reset a try. It's helped me remove unnecessary distractions and stay focused on what actually matters. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks for watching.